Looking to impress the woman in your life? Whether it's her birthday, Valentine's Day, or just because, you'll want a gift that shows thought, effort, and love. Stay tuned because I'm about to share the ultimate guide to romantic gifts women adore. You can never go wrong with a beautiful piece of jewelry. Think classic, like a silver or gold necklace with a personal touch, such as her initials or a meaningful charm. Luxury pieces like a Kit Heath happiness necklace not only sparkle but also symbolize your bond. Personalized gifts scream effort and love. A photo book, custom style map, or engraved bracelet turns a simple item into a cherished memory. Pamper her with spa-like experiences at home. A curated skincare set like 111 skin masks or a relaxing candle collection will show her you value her me time. Instead of traditional flowers, go for something unique like Lego roses, adorable and lasting, or an elegant floral arrangement preserved in a glass dome. If she's a food lover, think decadent treats. Macarons from La Durée or an exquisite chocolate box will win her heart and taste buds. Pair it with her favorite wine or champagne for a romantic touch. Upgrade her style with thoughtful accessories like a premium crossbody bag from Miss Jamie or a stylish timepiece like the Vincero Collective Eros watch. Sometimes the best gifts aren't material. Plan a surprise weekend getaway, an elegant dinner at her favorite restaurant, or even an adventure like a hot air balloon ride. Remember, gentlemen, it's not about how much you spend, but the thought and love behind your gift. Make her feel special, and you'll create memories she'll cherish forever. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to Legacy of a Gentleman for more tips to elevate your lifestyle. Until next time, gentlemen.